Hey there. Want to track your spending and manage your money better without a separate app? SoFi's mobile app has built-in budgeting features through its insights and vaults to help you stay on track. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use them. In the SoFi app, tap on your SoFi money account. You'll see a breakdown of your spending by category, like dining, shopping, etc., in the Insights tab. To budget, use the Vaults feature to create separate savings pots for goals like rent, vacation, or emergency fund. You can set up automatic transfers from your main balance into these vaults. My crucial pro tip? Create a vault for your monthly bills. Calculate your total monthly fixed expenses, create a monthly bills vault, and fund it as soon as you get paid. This separates your bill money from your spending money, making it much harder to accidentally overspend on necessities. That's how you build a simple, effective budgeting system right into your existing banking app. Do you prefer budgeting within your bank app or using a dedicated tool like Mint or an app? Share your favorite method below. For more guides on effortless money management, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.